Hi guys, welcome to the Python course. In this course we are going to learn Python from zero till the moment you're able to make an application with Python. So if you're looking for a course, of course free course that requires zero experience, organized information and practical approach, this is for you. But before we get started, in this episode we're gonna learn some useful facts and really basic stuffs about Python. And the future videos we're going to step in the field and start coding and learn the language itself. So before we get started guys, don't forget to subscribe and join my channel, because every week I'm going to upload a new episode. In total 7 episodes I think it will be. So week by week I'm going to publish and you're going to see the new information and join the playlist. Alright, so let's see here. Python is one of the most popular language learning in the world, and that's why not only software engineers use this. Actually, mathematicians, scientists, accountants, data analysts, network engineers, even kids use this language. And there's a question. So let's see why Python is popular, why it became that much popular. So before we go through that answer, we're going to know the thing that each program languages has its own specific usage. So before learning any languages, you need to know that. First, ask yourself why you want to learn this language, why, and what's your purpose. And when you conclude your purpose and your aim, then operate your progress to learn one of these languages. So now let's learn 6 important reasons why you need to learn Python. Alright? So let's get through it. Number 1, Python is a language that you can solve your problems with fewer lines of code. That's why Google and Facebook, they are the companies that are using Python to operate their system, their codes. So let's see an example. In 3 different environments, in Python, in C# and JavaScript, we're going to execute hello world and separate HEL from this hello world. So this is the result. If you can see, C# is the most complicated, then Java, and the most simplest is Python. Number 2, Python is a multiple purpose language. And what that means? It means so you can use data analysis, you can use artificial intelligence, automation, you can make web apps, mobile apps, desktop apps, and test apps, even hacking security. So if you want to find a job in one of these fields, Python is a correct language to learn for you. Number 3 is that Python is a high-level language. For example, you don't need to worry about, for example, if you learn C#, C++, you need to be worried about some advanced stuff. So Python is not one of that stuff. Another fact is Python is a cross-platform language. It means that application that made in Python can be used in different type of system like Windows, Mac, Linux. Number 5, Python has a huge community. So each time you face any type of problems, you can find it easily. Number 6, Python is a large ecosystem, has a huge data and library stuff. So you don't need to worry about complicated stuff, has a really big library. So in total, we have 2 different versions of Python version 2 and Python version 3. And I think Python number 2 just extinct on 2020, so we're going to learn Python version 3. And here is a quick information about me. My name is Mari, and if you didn't type even 1 line of code in your life, don't worry, this course is for you. We're going to learn how to deal with Python from zero, and at the end you're going to learn how to write an application with the information you've learned. Thank you so much. Subscribe and check the playlist each week I'm going to upload new videos. Thank you.